In the filters, this is where we have the options to imprint both homeopathics or a laser that we've developed, or you can use the test plate to test products that a patient brings that are outside the system that they're currently taking. To move into these options, you will notice at the bottom of the filters list, there's another tab that says Test Plate. If you click on this tab, you will now see that these features are available. If we wanted to imprint all of these items into an existing homeopathic, we would simply take that homeopathic, put it on the test plate of the Asyra, and click the Imprint button, and it will transfer all of these signatures in the green column or the balancing item column into that existing liquid medium, and then they would take, in this instance, 4 drops twice a day for the duration of 3 weeks. If I wanted to imprint into a laser and do laser therapy, we've developed a laser specifically for this, and we'll go over this therapy a little bit later. But I would just simply take the laser we've developed, put on the test plate, and you would click the button for laser, and you will notice it has both positive and negative polarity. And we want to imprint both of those because sometimes during the healing process, the body's energy fields or polarity will flip from the stress of healing. And we want to make sure that it can see the data in both polarities so that it continues to heal. To imprint the laser, we would simply click the Start button. It would go through and erase the signatures that were previously stored and encode the new signatures into the laser. What we've done with this laser is we've incorporated an electromagnetic coil that's tied to the battery pack in the laser, and it's strong enough to hold the signatures from the Asyra. You may want to use this for patients that are sensitive to the alcohol base in homeopathics. You could imprint that laser, and they could use that for treatment. As long as the batteries are in it, it will retain that signature until you put it back on the test plate, where it will then erase those signatures and add the next set. Now, if you want to test items that a patient brings, if they're on a vitamin supplement, you would simply click the Test Item on Plate. I would grab that B complex from the patient, put it on the test plate or multivitamin, mineral, whatever supplement they're taking, and then I would click Start. The patient would hold the electrodes, it would recalibrate to them, and then it would take a reading and it will give you the result. In this case, you can see that the causal relation is showing a red value, which indicates that that product is probably only of value for helping with symptoms and maintenance. So it's a clinical judgment call at this time if you would like to keep them on it. If you would, simply select how the item is designed for the patient to take, and then click the Start button, and it will go through and scan and let you know which dilution is going to be best for them to take.